Namaskar. This is library. Welcomes the NAC peer team by the Sangamner Nagarpalika Arts, TJ Malpani Commerce, and BN Sarada Science College Sangamner. The mission statement of library: a book for a reader and a reader for a book is aim of a library. We have accepted it for individual and social change through the means of education. It is our moral commitment to observe this through harmonious dialogue about the library. Library was started in 1961, supports imparting higher education at UG, PG and research level. Library automation is done with the Shikshan Kranti software. Layout of the library. The area of library is 929 square meter. Library is divided into many sections: display section, circular section, launch, internet section, periodical section, staff reading section, stack section, disabled student section, property corner and reading section. The working hours of library. It is shown in table. On working days, library opens at 8 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Total 9.5 hours. On vacation, it opens at 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. 9.5 hours. At the time of examination, it opens at 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and in the evening 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. as a night library. Total hours 13.5 hours. Library staff. The total library staff is shown in table. Dr. Chavan BV is the librarian and Ms. Sheikh AS is the assistant librarian, and remaining 6 are supporting staff. Books in the library. The books in the library are shown in graph. There are books, non-books, textbooks, reference books and total books. As on today, total books in the library title are 68,569 and total volume in the library are 1,29,408. Periodicals in the library. Total periodicals in the library are 150, of which magazine are 56, Indian journals are 63, international journal are 31, peer-reviewed journals are 27, which is shown graphically in this slide. The other collection in the library, manuscripts are 36 plus 550 E manuscript. CDs, DVDs are 1,296. Subscribed e-resources are from Enlist database 1,35,000 plus e-books and 6,000 plus e-journals. Also, there are 152 links for open access resources provided on college website under library page. There are 2,501 bound volumes and 14 newspaper subscribed in library. Open access resources available on library page on college website. Open educational resources, 25 links, e-books and e-journals, 38 links, e-dictionaries and encyclopedias, 40 links, e-thesis and dissertations, 60 links, e-newspaper and newspaper are 43 links, and there are total 152 links on the web page of college website. Institutional repository in college. College has developed institutional repository and the following resources are made available on college website for public access. Publications by teacher, articles by teacher, newspaper clippings, college magazine, university syllabi and question papers, research projects and email and e-manuscripts in Sanskrit. Amount spent on books during the period of 2011-12 to 2015-16 is 52,39,705 and total book purchased are 15,857. Amount spent on periodicals during the period of 2011-12 to 2015-16 is 8,27,763, and total number of periodicals subscribed this year are 150. Amount spent on e-resources during the year 2011-12 to 2015-16 are is 1,44,124, of which 135,000 are e-books and 6,000 plus are e-journals. There are 557 CDs in library. Amount spent on newspaper during these 5 years is 80,243, and 14 newspapers are subscribed during this year. Book donated to library for the 5-year period 2011-12 to 2015-16 is 5,04,176, and books were acquired through this amount is 1,468. Library members during 5-year span, the library member for the college are shown in a cylindrical graph, bifurcated as non-teaching staff, external members, teaching staff, student. The last year's total members of the library are 5,361. Average library usage during the year 2015-16. Average number of books in library 571. Average number of books issued and written 536, of which 256 issued and 280 written. Ratio of library books to student enrolled 26:1. Average number of books added in last 3 years 3,300 per year. Average number of login e-resources 4,546 per year. Infrastructure development during the last 5 years, stack room renovation with racks, CCTV vigilance, Wi-Fi facility, tablets are provided to students. Reading room extension is done for reading reading of students. Library collection growth during the last 3 cycles, that is 2010, 2016, and growth is considered as per the books, titles and periodical and CDs. It is shown in graphically in graph for 3 cycles. During first cycle there were 6,268 books. Second cycle 97,406 books, and during third cycle there are 1,50,464 books. And same way there is increase in periodicals and CDs during these 3 cycles. ICT tools in library. Enlist e-resources package is subscribed. Wi-Fi support is there. OPAC also available for the student. Resource sharing network InfoNet is subscribed. Content management system is there as a website. In-house remote access to e-publication is available. Internet bandwidth is 10 Mbps width, having 18 terminals. Institutional repository, library automation, library barcoding of all books is done. Library web page is also there in a college website. FTP server of e-resources is made available, and CCTV vigilance for keep the watch on library commerce is installed. Conference and seminars organized by library. First participation at international level 2, national level 6, state level 11, total 19 papers are presented by librarian. Paper submission, paper presentation, 3 at international, 5 national, 11 state level, and total 11 papers are presented by librarian. Then faculty development program attended by librarian, national 1 and state 1, total 2. Research person at national level 2 times and state level 2, total 4 by librarian. The graphical representation shown in graph. Publications by librarian, journal article published at international level 3, national level 1, total 4. Proceeding article published at international level 1, national level 5, state level 2, and total 8. Books and edited books published are 1 at international level, 2 at national level, state level 1, total 4. Seminar conference organized by library are 3 during the span of 5-year period. Total fund received from UGC and BCD was 3,30,000, and 252 library professionals across the country participated in the conference and presented their papers. Staff achievements. During the year 2012, Gosai PM of the library. During the year 2013, Navle SV, and during 2015, Katke YC were honored with the Best College Employee for their outstanding performance. Orientation and exhibition are also conducted in library during the span of 5 years, 2011 to 16, 22 programs were arranged. Library and 2,130 students were present for library orientation. Book exhibition were arranged during these 5 years by Diamond Publication Pune, Universal Bookstall Pune, Cambridge University Press Pune, Rajahans Publication Pune, Pustakalay Sangamner, AB Publishers Nasik, Library itself, Jyoti Book Sale Nasik also arranged the book exhibition during this period of 5 years. The picture shows that the exhibition of books. Services and supports by the library during for various beneficiaries under various scheme. First, book bank 28 beneficiaries. Second, special incentive scheme 67 beneficiaries. Third, Readers Club 143 beneficiaries. 4, Departmental Library 20 beneficiaries. 5, external member 99 beneficiaries. 6, institutional members 7 beneficiaries. This is shown in a graph. Next, services and supports provided by library. Circulation is there, reference service, bibliographic compilation, bibliography, printing and scanning, information deployment and notification, clippings, new arrivals, open access library, night library, etc. are the services. Facilities provided to disabled students are ramp, toilet, earphone, NVDA software for blind, internet facility, separate sitting arrangement are made in library. Feedback of the students taken during the last year and improved the library services as new books and periodicals are added. Library orientation ICT programs were arranged. Book exhibitions are arranged to inculcate their reading habits. Assistance to search e-resources database. Internet Wi-Fi for staff and student. OPAC made available for searching books. Reference question papers are provided with priority. Readers Club, special incentive scheme, book bank scheme also arranged. Extension of reading room is done. Scanning and printing facilities available. Syllabus, question papers and new arrival available on library website. The SWOT analysis of library. Strength. Library is having a best collection. A good number of users are there. Disabled students section is separate. Night library is a facility for students. Weakness. Space management is the problem in a library. Opportunities to provide IT-based services, to develop e-collection, to increase library users, to upgrade institutional repository. Challenges, publication growth, to provide every user's IT-based services and devices. The future plan of the library, to upgrade the library infrastructure, to acquire the more print and e-resources, to upgrade the library software as per ICT changes, to make the library OPAC available on web, to upgrade institutional repository. So this was all about the library. Thank you very much.